Hello everyone, this is Sriram Balaji. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use assets in Copilot Studio Skills. Here's a brief look at my socials, LinkedIn, YouTube, and my website. If you like this video, consider hitting the like button, and if you'd like to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. What are skills? Skills are open format for extending AI agent capabilities. A skill is typically a structure which is a directory containing at a minimum a skill.md file. So you can have optional directories like scripts, references, and assets. In this video, we'll walk you through assets. Assets are static resources like your document templates, like Word templates or PowerPoint templates, and images. We'll walk through a quick demo of this. Okay, let's say let me ask to generate a short story on dragons. So this will invoke the story skill. Yeah, story generator skill is invoked, and it generates a short story for children. Now what I'll do is ask it to generate a PPT. Um, I'll say generate a story presentation using the template. So it invoked the assets PPT template skill, and it's trying to build that. So it's going through the template, the presentation template, and then it is trying to build the deck. Let's give it a few seconds and come back. Yeah, the PPT has been generated now, and just let's see what are the different slides. There are six slides: title, meet the character, adventure, turning point, resolution, and the end. And it also attached the story PPT based on the template. It has created this PPT. You can go ahead and download it. Let's take a quick look at the presentation that has been created from the template here. The PPT. So there are like six slides here. Let's go through a next sample here. I'm creating a branded proposal based on the proposal template. Let's just give it a few seconds. So it has loaded the skill proposal generator. I'll just walk through that in a few seconds. Let me. Okay, what's the client name? I'll say Conteso Corporation. So summary. The proposal for Conteso CRM. Yeah. Problem. I just put a generic input statement problem to solve using agents. Just put a solution that uses agent to solve the customer's problems. Say a great market opportunity. This will cost 100K pounds. Yeah. So now it is actually creating the document based on the template. It's reading a template now and replacing the placeholders with whatever data we have provided. Let's give it a few seconds. So as you can see, it just summarizes the client name, the summary, the problem statement, solution, market opportunity, and financial summary, and went ahead and created the proposal document. So you can go ahead and download it. Here's the downloaded document. This is the proposal document is prepared for Contoso Corporation, and here's a summary, problem statement we have given, solution, market opportunity, and financial summary. So this was generated from the document template which you had provided for the. Let me walk to the skills I created for this. This is the story generator here. This skill does not use any assets. It uses this skill only when the user has to generate stories. The next one is the asset sample PPT template skill. This skill is used to generate the story PPT using a template. So here, as you can see, this is using one of the assets. That's the PPT template. So it's referred here. Use asset story PPT template as a template unit the PPT for the story. That's that. Next, I'll go through the proposal generator skill. So this use one of the assets, the document template. So this skill, what it does, it generates the proposal document based on a predefined document template. So you can see here, it is actually referring the asset slash proposal template docs. I'll just show the skill directory structure in a moment. The last but not the least, the image asset example. The skill just shows you how you can refer to images in the skill in .md. So you can see all these images here. So that's an example for that. Let me walk you through the skill directory structure. Here is the asset sample PPT template skill. So here, if you go down, you can see the assets folder. You have the PPT template. Let's move on to the proposal generator. If you go to the assets, you see the document template for the proposal. And then if you move on to the image asset example, you can see all the images in the assets folder. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.